All right, hello everyone. Look at us. We are almost at the very end of the school year. Remember, the last day of school is next Friday, the 29th. So that will be like the end all, be all deadline for things to be turned in. So really consider turning in any late work that is still open. I have closed some things just because I can't give you that many chances. Like if you're still doing stuff from quarter three or the beginning of quarter four, we're not going to do that, but I will let you do things that are still open, of course. Um, and then more importantly, when it comes to turning in your persuasive essay project, that is officially due on Friday. So this video is going up on Thursday, so the essay is due tomorrow if you're watching this on Thursday. Obviously, we still have a week of school after that turn-in deadline, so I will accept the essay project in those coming days up until the last day of school, but I will dock you 10% for each day that it is late, just because you've had so much time to work on this. I've given you weeks and weeks of independent work without having any deadlines for turning in assignments, right? Like you haven't seen anything go into the grade book since probably probably since we read the toilet training essay, which was 3 weeks ago now. So I've given you a ton of freedom to get this essay done. So if you're not there at this point, I'm going to have to start docking points for participation. But what this video is all about is to show you how to download your essay into a PDF and then submit it to Schoology. I am doing it this way because it's just a lot easier for me to track completion and to go through and grade the essays. It's much quicker for me when I have them all in one place as opposed to scattered all over my Google Drive. So let me show you what I need you to do today. So here is your essay. This is my sample essay. It's all done, right? You want to go down and make sure that you have every single paragraph, every single color filled out. Conclusion, your three sources actually listed here. You don't actually need the link, so that doesn't need to be in there. And then you're done. So what this makes up is, let me actually remind you to do the formatting here. So do the MLA heading to make sure that you are doing dear and then your audience, and then having your topic and argument here. That really helps me to grade. Anyway, so what this is a completed essay. So what this means is that you can actually transfer this into a solid, unchangeable document that we can upload somewhere else. And what's fun about Google Docs is that you can go up and you can turn it into any type of document that you would like. So if you scroll down to download, so that's your first step. So we'll review, file, I'm sure you've done this for other classes, download, and there's all of these different document types here. Word, it's still a changeable document, so I don't want it in Word. It can be in an RTF. I'm not sure how those upload to Schoology. It could also be in a plain text if that's the type of computer you have. I think that might be what it is for Mac computers. I don't know. I have a PC. But the very easiest thing you can do that's transferable for both types of computers is the PDF document. So what this does, if you click PDF, there we go. It immediately downloads into a nice document for you. And it looks like this. It condenses it into a page and it keeps all the formatting, but I can't click in here and change anything. So it makes it this nice solid document that you are just uploading saying, I'm done with this. Nothing else needs to be changed about it. And it just looks a lot nicer, cleaner. It's easier for me to go through. So now you have this document. So what you'll do is you'll go into Schoology and you'll go into the little submission box that says submit your essay here. I have it at the bottom right now because it's not due yet, but tomorrow I will move it to the top so that it is right there for you, and obviously it will be unpublished. So you'll click on that. And this is the tricky part because mine looks much different than yours because I am the teacher and so I don't have like a submission area here, but you've done this for me one time, I believe, so you should know a little bit how to do this. So there will be a submit tab here, I believe, or an upload tab. You'll click that and it will give you the option to dig into your computers or your iPad's files and pull out that PDF. It's difficult for me that I can't actually show you how to do that, but I know for a fact, because I have looked it up, that on YouTube, if you look up how to submit an assignment on Schoology, it will show you the student's perspective of how to do this. So if you don't see this or you're still a little bit confused on how to pull from your computer's files, please type that into YouTube, type in how to submit an assignment on Schoology, and click on that first video and it will show you how to do it from a student's perspective. So that is what I have for you for today, just showing you basically how to upload this essay. Just a reminder that just having the essay shared with me is not you officially turning it in. If it comes to that when I am last minute grading, it, I mean, I will dig in my files to find it, but it's going to be extremely difficult for me, and I'll probably end up docking you points for not following directions. So your essay is not officially submitted until you go to submit your essay here and actually upload it as a PDF. All right. One last reminder, our final exam for semester 2 is going to be on Wednesday, Wednesday, May 27th, and that's going to go from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. I'm sure other teachers have told you this. We're doing it later in the day for high school just because we know that your siblings are probably wanting to use your technology to do their finals. So we had to kind of separate it by grade. So all the high school exams are going to be in the evening, and they're all going to be on different days. So you don't have to worry about taking multiple exams in like a 3 to 4 hour time span. Just my exam will be from 2 to 5 for ninth graders at least. If you are a 10th or 11th grader and you feel like having potentially 2 English exams in one day is too much of a workload for you, I can have you take it on another day, but I do need you to let me know before next week starts because things will start to get super chaotic if we're like, oh, I don't want to take it on Wednesday, and then we get to the last day of school and you still haven't taken the exam yet. That's kind of a scary situation. So just let me know and I can work something out for you. Shoot me an email or a message. But yeah, the main point of this video is just to show you how to upload that essay. Make sure that you do that today or Friday to gain full points. All right, thank you guys.